Is the Sony ZV-1 still worth buying in 2026? As a walking tour and street food content creator, I have been using this camera for my channel. Here is my honest experience after long-term use. I needed a compact camera that I could carry for hours while walking. The ZV-1 gave me fast autofocus, great image quality, and simple controls. For walking tour creators, these features are extremely important. The autofocus is one of the strongest features of this camera. And a zoom lens that will allow you to easily shoot videos in low-light indoor and night environments. It locks onto details quickly, even when you are moving. The camera is small, lightweight, and very easy to handle. But the ZV-1 has a few limitations you should know. The battery life is short, so extra batteries are necessary. In 2026, there are alternatives you can consider, such as the ZV-1 Mark II, the ZV-10 with interchangeable lenses, but for compact size and beginners, the original ZV-1 is still a strong option. If you want to start a walking tour or street food channel, the ZV-1 remains reliable. To see real walking tour examples recorded with this camera, check the links below. And don't forget to subscribe for more walking tours and camera tips.